It's so dark. So we're here waiting for breakfast. We're on our way to LA. We're waiting for a train. And I'm here with Yajira. We're eating breakfast. And then what you were using last night?
The iPad. Where did I put your makeup at?
Give it to me. I'm gonna do my makeup here. Should we do it? Let's get ready with me waiting for our train on the train stop.
No.
Oh wait, I need my beauty blender. It's inside there. It's inside the bag. No saques toda la bag.
What bag?
Huh?
What's the bag?
27.
How long does that last?
I don't know.
It was supposed to be something different, I'll be honest. The initial, they were creating a visual army, but then when I come here, yeah, I know. They take over the president, and it wasn't just me, they were writing overtime.
Say something. Say something.
And then she came back to me, my review was she came back to me on Friday night.
Yeah, Haira's wearing mascara.
Mom, don't watch this.
On our way to LA. Hi guys, so we just got to we just got to an Airbnb, our Airbnb. So I thought it would be cool to show you guys. It's pretty cool here. It's like just a private room, like a little loft room. So I'm gonna show you guys around. So this is our door. We self-checked in. It has a little keypad. And when you first walk in, you have the room. There's a Haira. Say hi, Gorda. She's eating our poke that we already bought some stuff in Little Tokyo. So yeah, this is the bed, the nightstand. There's an overview, the AC, a little table, TV stand. Okay, so when we go, turn left. So here, hello, there's a full-length mirror. I took everything off. I'm really tired. There's a closet. And then you turn this way. And this is the bathroom. Pretty nice. There's a mirror. There's even a hairdryer in here. There's a bathroom. So we walk back out. So here's the bed. There's like a little table to eat. Got the TV. We also have a mini fridge, which is cool. And then here, it's like a curtain. Open it up. And we walk in, and it's like a little kitchen. Look at the view. There's like a little kitchen, guys. There's like a stove, microwave, sink, a little table, a couple utensils. Pretty cool. So yeah. So this is like a little indoor, like a little loft. Yeah, so it's like a private studio. Like a one room. And this is pretty cool. So we'll see you. So we will see you later. Gonna relax a little, and then we're gonna go back and go eat and go to Koreatown and do a lot of stuff. See you later. Smells good. It's a pork and veggie steamed bun. It's good.
So, Sarah, Mommy's
You want
going
some?
to the grocery store, and I'm just going to get a steamed bun. So, what do you do with her?
It's hot. It's hot. Okay. What other chips? Those ones. Okay guys, so we're here at, I think it's like a Korean market plaza or something. We're here. And I got myself a somi ice cream. And it's like a fish-shaped waffle with red bean and matcha ice cream, so I'm gonna try it. It's really good. This is where we are. It's called Tengoku. Focus Tengoku Ramen Bar. We're so hungry. We came to eat some ramen. And I'll show you guys what we got when the food comes. Ramen. This is the soup. This is the ramen. We also got the side dish. And I got the same. Are you excited? This is too much. It's good. Let's eat. Okay.
Thank you, Godfrey.
Hey, Hannah. What did you say you were gonna do for the next 2 weeks?
When I get home, I'm gonna start on, I think Tuesday, because I want to finish my stuff of junk food. So on Tuesday, I'm going to only drink water with chia seeds and eat 1.5 peaches a day. So
What about food?
and I'm not gonna eat food for 2 weeks.
No food at all?
No, just the 1.5 peaches.
Okay. No food. Are you sure?
Yes.
Nada de comida.
And you better not be ordering pizzas and Jack throughout that whole 2 weeks. Stop zooming into my face. I swear.
You heard it, guys. No food for
I
2
swear
weeks.
she's gonna order.